Hello vlog, welcome back.
Hi blog.
Uya.
Wait.
This is just a simple bag from Strand Bag. It's raining. This design looks so cute.
Wow. Wow, look at this thing, something like that.
नवा कुछ बने ना? कौन सी बने चा?
Hinsdam.
हिंस्टेम बने यहाँ कौन हिंस्टेम बने?
नहीं Hinsdam.
तो कौन सी बने? But no idea.
There was something I forgot.
Isha? Hungry, Aisha?
Yes,
You hungry? What do you want to eat?
McDonald's.
Okay, she's gonna be eating McDonald's today. We here, Aisha.
Vihi. ना Vihi.
Yeah, we here.
नहीं Vihi.
Hello blog, how's everyone doing today? So it's 8th of July and we are going to where are we going?
Hinsdam.
Okay, we are going to Hinsdam and yeah, we are just going for a walk there on top of the bridge. So we didn't complete that area, so we wanted to go and see if it's good. I have got no idea, and it's raining. Yeah, we don't know whether we will be able to like go for a walk or not, but we'll go and see, and I'm going to show you all around that area too. We just ate McDonald's and like literally feeling so full. Got the coffee because couldn't finish this. So yeah, let's see how the day goes.
Yum.
Okay, so this is the dam. When it rains, it will like overflow from there, na? But now it just comes from there. It's raining, but I think the rain is not enough. So we always go to that area down this side, na? There's
Yeah.
a park there, not there. around
Ah,
here, and we are going up there. We will go for a walk, and yeah, it's just a simple dam. Nice. Yeah.
I can't even hear what you're saying right now.
Oh, okay. So we are going to do the outfit of the day here.
You know how dirty my shoelaces are? I wore them when I went to a party and it was raining, so there was a lot of like, I went in like mud.
You always do that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
This is the same hoodie I was wearing like in one of the video, and like it's from Shein, looks really nice. It's nice hoodie, and the pants is also from Shein. It's a bow pants, which is so cute, and the shoes is Vans. Okay. Oh, I love the socks.
Yeah,
hard socks.
it's also from Shein.
The laces are already dirty.
Yeah, because I wore them when I went to the party and I went in like mud.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wow, such a gorgeous outfit. 10. Yay!
Yay!
This is just a simple bag from Strand Bag. It's raining, so yeah, I just got this one. This hoodie, which I love it so much, is from JJ's, and like it's just so cute, charmed hoodie, and it's like this, and I tied my hair like this, and this is the pants, which I like it so much. Just ignore the writings.
Yeah, people would know what it means, and you know. If you don't, then we're not gonna
and
say.
like I just love this. Like it looks so cute. This design here, and this pants is from Shein, and the shoes. Oh my gosh, I love these shoes. This shoes is so gorgeous by Fitbill, or Fitbill, and like literally is so cute. And the pants here looks like this, gorgeous elastic. And our OTD stain hat, and the hoodie is from JJ's. It's a nice hoodie. Can you tan a bit? Yay, it's gorgeous. And 10 around, and the pants is from H&M. It's not a cargo, like skinny leg pants,
Skinny.
skinny jeans, yeah.
Cargo.
And the shoes is from City Beach, just a lucid shoes, nice, yeah. And yeah, the watch is Samsung, and the jewelry is from Prouds. It's nice. I love this. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
It's a matching with necklace, and the glasses is Ray-Ban,
Yeah.
and the earrings is from Shein. It's nice outfit of the day. No?
Yeah. Thank you.
Rain is here.
Rain, why are you gonna ruin it? I just straightened my hair, man. Took so much effort and time.
Yeah. You can do it again.
But that's not good for your hair to keep on straightening it.
Beautiful.
Where is it? Family.
What's that?
This is the mirror. Mirror hai. Wow, Isha, why are you doing that? Okay, so
Just very puffy.
okay, let's go do something. The toilets here is so clean. Like literally, it's just so clean today.
Did my hair look better tied up?
Yeah,
Okay.
looks good like that. You look so pretty. And we wanted to go for a walk on that bridge over there, but like it's raining and I just don't want to go now. Hey Isha,
Yeah, our clothes get ruined.
like we will be coming back like maybe on Friday. I think after Thursday weather will be good, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so we might come on those days, and doesn't matter how many times you come here, like it's just worth it.
कितना बड़ा है रे?
We are here. It's coming from there, if you
Not
can
rain.
see. Like,
Shower.
oh my gosh.
Lights out.
I can take you to clothes. Take you to clothes. Shower.
ईशा बोले क्लोथ्स निकाल के शावर करो.
I had the strings in.
We are going to Westville now. Bottle open karo.
It looks so nice. The pink and the
Yeah,
drink.
it's my magnesium in here.